Okay, wait for 1 minute. Wait. Okay. Today topic radiation and production. Radiation production rules and regulation. This act was implemented. This act was implemented in 2004. 2004. This act implemented. This is the important topic for IS 105. Fifth paper. Fifth paper. This is the very important topic. Radiation production rules. Radiation production rules. Today discussed about the important definitions and radiological officers responsibility and workers responsibility and employer responsibility and penalties and license, how to approve the license. Today discuss these topics, definitions, important definitions, and important responsibilities of the radiology safety officer and responsibility of the radiology worker and employer and license are the penalties. These are the today discussed. This is the very important topic for IS 105 safety health and environmental legislation. This is the very important topic for the define radiation. Define radiation. Radiation is a any form of in the form of electromagnetic waves or particularly matter traveling in the air. Define the radiation. Radiation is a energy. Radiation is a energy in the form of electromagnetic waves or particular matter traveling in the air. Next slide I will share you. These are the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, AERB, was constituted in 1983 by the government. Carries out certain regular safety functions under this Atomic Energy 1962 and the Environmental Protection Act 1986, Radiation Product Rules 2004. It is the recommendation, research, and all licensing body in India. These are the 2004 implemented Radiation Production Rules 2004. This is the very important topic and important definitions we are discussed, and radiologically safety officers responsibility and other responsibility of the employer and responsibility of the worker, a license, how to apply the license, and offense penalties. These are the these are so one of the definitions. Definition: International Atomic Energy Agency (IAEA), the protection of people harmful effects of exposing to ionizing radiation and the means of achieving this. The IAEA also states the accepted understanding of the term radiation protection is restricted to the protection of a people. Protection of a people. Next slide I will share you. These are the definition. There are electromagnetic waves incapable. There are electromagnetic waves incapable of producing ions while passing through a matter due to the lower energy sources. Ultraviolet light, visible light, infrared radiations, and microwaves, radio and TV power transmissions. These are the sources. Next slide I will share you. This is the one of the definition. Radiation is a energy. Radiation is a energy that comes from source and travels through a space. may be able to penetrate various materials. The kinds of radiation, electromagnetic, like light and particular, that is mass given with the energy motions, gamma radiation and X-rays are examples of electromagnetic. Next slide. Types of radiation. Radiation is the process of radiation is the process of sending of energy in the form of light, heat, X-rays, or nuclear particles. An example of radiations are the energy waves of the nuclear bomb. The radiation of heat and light form of a fire. Next slide I will share you. These are the radiation damages that cells. Main disadvantages. Radiation damages that cells that make up of the human body. Low levels of radiation and are not dangerous, but medium levels can lead to sickness, headaches, vomiting, and fear. High levels can kill you by causing damage to your internal organs. Radiation damage the cells that make up human body. Low levels of radiation are not dangerous, but medium levels can lead to sickness, headaches, vomiting, and a fever. High levels can kill you by causing a damage to your internal organs. Main health effects. Exposure to very high level radiation health effects. Exposure to very high levels of radiation, such as a big closing to atomic blast, can cause acute health effects, such as a skin burns and acute radiation syndrome, radiation sickness. It can also result in a long-term health effects, such as a cancer, cardiovascular diseases. These are the health effects, radiation health effects. Main exposure to very high levels of radiation, such as a being close to atomic blast, can cause acute health effects such as a skin burns and the acute radiation syndrome, radiation sickness. It can also result in long-term health effects such as a cancer and cardiovascular diseases. These are the okay. This is a topic. Short and title and extension. These rules may be called atomic energy. These rules also called as a atomic energy, radiation and production. Radiation productions also as a atomic energy. Rules 2004. 2004. 2004. These rules are implemented in 2004. And the interventions applied with the respect to the radiation sources. The extension to whole of India. This act was these rules are whole of India, overall India. They shall come into force of the final publication in the official gazette. Important definitions in these rules unless the context otherwise requires. These are the important definitions. Okay, next screen I will share you important definitions. These are the in radiation production rules in 2004. Accident means any unintended event including operating error, equipment failure, or other mishap. The consequence of or potential consequence of which are not negligible from the radiation production point of view. Act. Act అంటే ఏంటి చట్టం. Act means the Atomic Energy Act 1962, 33 of the 1962 అంటే Article 33 అన్నారు. Article 33. Activation. Activation means production of induced radioactivity by nuclear reactions. And activity means the average number of spontaneous nuclear transform taking place per unit time in a radioactive substances material. These are the activity. Next slide I will share you. These are the continuation. Adequate protection. Adequate protection means taginanta protection. Adequate protection means protection against radiation, so provided that the regulatory constructions notified by the competent authority are not exceed. Adequate protection means protection against radiation, so provided that the regular constraints notified by the competent authority are not exceed. Appropriate. Appropriate means appropriate in the opinion of the competent authority to ensure adequate protection. Appropriate means appropriate in the opinion of the competent authority to ensure adequate protection. Competent authority. Competent authority means any officer or authority referred to a section 27 of the Act. Competent authority means any officer or authority referred to in a section 27 of the Act. Contamination. Contamination means the presence of radioactive. Contamination means the presence of radioactive substances in or a material or in the human body or the places in excessive quantity specified in the relevant safety codes by the competent authority. Controlled area. Controlled area means any area in which specified protection measure and safety provisions are to be could be required for. Wait, next screen I will share you. Wait, next. These are the convenience means any vehicle for the purpose of transport by road. Any vessel, hold or deck defined under the law being in a force for the purpose of a transport by water, and any aircraft for the purpose of transport by air. These are the convenience means any vehicle for the purpose of transport by road. Any vessel, hold or deck defined under the law being in a force for the purpose of the transport by water, and any aircraft for the purpose of transport by air. Decommissioning means discontinuation of the use of radiation equipment or installation and on a permanent basis, with or without dismantling the equipment, including removal or contamination of radioactive materials. Dose means observed dose, organ dose, equivalent dose, effective dose, or commitment equivalent dose, or committed effective dose depending on the context. Employer means any person. Employer means any person who employs workers or imparts training, use sources, or who is self-employed as worker in a radiation installation. Exposure. Exposure means the act or condition of being exposed to radiation. Exposure means the act or condition of being exposed to radiation. Handle means manufacture, possess, store, use, transfer by sale or otherwise export, import, transport or dispose of. Handle means manufacture, possess, storage, store, use, transfer by sale or otherwise export, import, transport or dispose of. These are the important definition. Wait, continuation. I will share you. Intervention. Intervention means any action to produce or avert exposure or likelihood of exposure to source which are not part of control practice or which are out of control as a result of accident. License. What is meant by license? Important definitions. License means license issued under Rule 3. License means a license issued under Rule 3. License means a person to whom license has been issued under this rule. Next one, medical exposure. Medical exposure, right? Medical exposure means medical exposure means exposure incurred by patients as part of their own medical diagnosis or treatment. Persons other than occupationally exposed, while knowing and willingly helping in the support and comfort of patients and volunteers in biomedical research. Nuclear fuel cycle. Nuclear fuel cycle. Nuclear fuel cycle means all operations associated with the production of nuclear energy, including mining, milling, processing of uranium or thorium, enrichment of uranium, manufacturing of nuclear fuel, operation of reactors, reprocessing of nuclear fuel, decom- decommissioning radioactive waste, management, and any research or development activity related to any of the foregoing. Offsite and emergency. Offsite emergency means, right? Offsite emergency means accident, condition, or emergency situation involving excessive release of reactive materials, hazardous chemicals from the plant in public domain, calling for inventation. Next slide, I will share you. Wait, next slide, I will share you.
Right.
These are the person. Person shall include a individual. Person shall be individual or a company or association or body by individual, whether incorporated or not, or central government of a, or a state government. Personal monitoring means determination or estimation of the dose received an individual for external and or internal radiation. Potential exposure. Potential exposure means exposure that is not expected to deliver, which is the certainty, but which that can result from an accident involving a source of due to an event or sequence or events of a probabilistic nature, including equipment failure and operating errors. Practice. Practice means any human activity that introduce additional sources or exposure pathways or exchanges exposure to additional people or modifies the network of exposure pathway for existing source, which may increase the exposure or likelihood of exposure of people or the number of people exposed. These are the practice. Next screen I will share you. These are the quality assurance. Quality assurance means any planned and systematic action necessary to provide adequate confidence that a structure, system, competent, or procedure will perform satisfactorily in compliance with safety standards specified by the competent authority and includes quality control. Quality control means a set of operation, programming, coordinating, implemented indeed to maintain or to improve quality and includes monitoring, evolution, and maintenance at required levels of performance. Radiation installation. Radiation installation means any location or facilities, including a mobile facilities in which a radiation generating equipment or plant or radioactive material is present and which is in the opinion of the competent authority. Requires radiation surveillance of ensuring adequate protection against radiation. Radiation surveillance means measures including measurements and reviews performed to ensure adequate protection. Radiation surveillance means measures including measurements and reviews performed to ensure adequate protection. Radiation work. Radiation work means working involve exposure. Radiation work means working involve exposure. Radiation worker. Radiation worker means any person who is occupationally exposed to radiation. Radiation worker means any person who is occupationally exposed to radiation. These are the next screen I will show you. Radiologically safety officer. Radiologically safety officer means any person who is designated by the employer with the approval of the competent authority. Regulatory constriction means restriction on radiation production parameters notified by the competent authority. Sealed source. Sealed source means radioactivity material that permanently sealed in a capsule or in a solid form which is closely bounded and is a designed to meet the safety standards prescribed by the competent authority. Source. Source means a radioactive material or a radiation generating plant of equipment. Supervised area. Supervised area means any area not already designated as a controlled area, but where occupational exposure conditions are kept under review even though specific protection measures and safety provisions are not normally needed. Unsealed sources. Unsealed sources means any radioactive material that is not sealed sources. Next slide I will share you. Worker means radiation worker. Words and expression used in these rules are not defined but defined in the act shall have the meaning respectively assigned to the license. License means this is the rule number 3 license. No person shall have without license. Establishing a radiation installation. Then a radiation installation of sitting, design, construction and commissioning and operation and decommission of radiation installation. No person shall handle by radioactive materials. No person shall handle radioactive materials or operate any radiation generating equipment accepting in accordance with the terms and conditions of the license. Terms and the license of the conditions. Next continuation. A license shall be issued the source of practices associated with the operation. A license shall be issued by the sources and practices associated with the operation of nuclear fuel cycle facilities. Land-based high-intensity gamma irradiators other than gamma irradiation chambers. Practical accelerator used to research and industrial application. Practical acceleration used for research and industrial application. Neutron generators. Facilities engaged in the commercial production of the radioactive materials or radiation generating equipment. Facilities engaged in the commercial production of radioactive materials or radiation generating equipment. These are the facilities engaged in the commercial production of radioactive materials or radiation generating equipment. Telegamma and accelerator used in radiotherapy. Computed tomography CT unit. Interventional radiological X-ray unit. Industrial radiography and such other sources or practices as may be notified by the competent authority from time to time. Next, industrial radiography and such other sources or practices as may be notified by the competent authority from time to time. Next slide I will share you. Next slide I will share you. These are the very important. Provided that the sources and practices associated with the operation of brachytherapy, deep X-ray units, superficial and contact therapy X-rays units, gamma ray irradiation chambers, nuclear medicine facilities, facilities engaged in the commercial production of nucleogenic gases and consumer products containing radioactive materials. Such other sources of practice as may be notified by the competent authority from time to time. An authorization shall be necessary. Last one. In license, last one. Provided further that the sources and practices associated with the operation of medical diagnostic X-ray equipment, including therapy simulatory, analytical X-ray equipment, and used for research, nucleogenic gauges, RIA laboratories, radioactive sources in tracer studies, biomedical research use radioactivity material, such other or practices as may be notified by the competent authority from time to time. A regulation shall be necessary. Next slide I will share you. Provided also, these are also provided. Approval for sitting decision, construction, commissioning, and decommissioning of radiation installation. Approval of sealed sources, radiation generating equipment and equipment contain radioactive sources for the purpose of manufacturing and supply. Approval for packaging, designing for transport for radioactive materials. Approval for shipment, approval for radioactive conjugates and such other sources or practices as may be notified by the competent authority from time to time. Concession shall be necessary. The license shall not be transferable without the prior approval of the competent authority. Next slide I will share you. Fees of license. Fees of license. The competent authority may be prescribed by the notification in the official gazette. Appropriate fees applicable of issuance of license specified in these rules. Exception. Exception means the use and disposal of any substances and materials spontaneously emit radiation not exceeding the level of radiation prescribed by notification issued under clauses subsection 1 of section 2 of the act. The use of radiation generating equipment, devices, or appliances emitting radiation not exceeding the limit determined by the central government under the class G of the section 3 of the act are exempted from the preview of rule 3. Exclusion. Exclusion means exposure resulting from naturally occurring radionuclides present in the human body's cosmic radiation at the Earth's surface. Unmodified concentration of radionuclides in raw materials and from other sources and practices which may be prescribed as not amenable for control are excluded from these rules. These are the very important. Radiologically safety officer. Radiologically safety officer means these are the first of all responsibility of the employer after completing of the responsibility of the safety officer in radiologically safety officer and after responsibility of the worker. These are the important three topics. These are the important three topics. Radiologically safety officer. Every employer shall designate with the written approval of the competent authority a person having appropriate qualification as a radiologically safety. All the also discuss the important definition. This is also radiologically safety officer. Responsibility of the employer. A employer రేడియేషన్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ దగ్గర ఏం చేయాలి? రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ద every employee shall ensure that the provisions of the rules are implemented by the licensed radiologically safety officer and other workers. Provided facilities and equipment to the licensed radiologically safety officer and other workers to carry their function effectively in conformity with the regulatory constraints. Prior to employment of worker, procure from his employer where applicable the those records and health surveillance reports. Next slide I will share you. These are the upon next condition upon the termination of the service of worker provided responsibility of radiological employer worker provided to his new employment and request is to records on health surveillance report furnish to each worker those records and health surveillance reports of the worker in the employment annually as and when requested by the worker and the termination of the services. Inform the competent authority if the license or radiologically safety officer or any worker leaves the employment and the other arrange for health surveillance of the workers as specified under rule 25. Arrange for health surveillance of worker and as specified under rule 25. The employer shall not be custodian of radiation source in the position and shall ensure physically security of the sources at all times. The employer shall inform the competent authority within 24 hours of the any accident involving sources or loss of sources of which is in the custodian. The employer shall information the competent authority within 24 hours of the any accident involving source or loss of source of which is the custodian. Next continuation. Responsibility of the license. The responsibility for implementing the terms and conditions of the license shall rest with the license. The license shall comply with the survey procedure, safe codes and safety standards specified by the competent authority. Every license shall establish written procedure and plans for controlling, monitoring and assignment of exposure for ensuring adequate protection from workers, members of the public and environment and patients where applicable. Every license shall establish written procedure and plans for controlling, monitoring and assessment of exposure for ensuring adequate protection of the workers, members of the public and the environment patients wherever applicable. Next slide I will share you. Responsibility of the business. These are the license shall comply with the provisions of rules of safety disposal of radioactivity issue under this act without prejudice to the generality of the above. The license shall have not allow workers other than those specified in subclause of subrule of rule 7 and already dealt with under rule 17. Maintain records of the workers as specified under rule 24. Arrange for preventive and remedial maintenance of radiation production, equipment and monitoring instrument. In consultation with radiologically safety officer, investigation any case of exposure in case of regulatory constraints received by individual workers and maintain investigation. Inform competent authority properly of the occurrence, investigation and follow-up actions in case of exposure. In access of regulatory constrictions, including steps to prevent reoccurrence of such incidents. Carry out physical verification of radioactive material radically and maintain inventory. Next slide I will share you. This is the very important. This slide I will share. These are the very important. Responsibility of the radiologically safety officer. What are the responsibility of the radiologically safety officer? Are you listen? This is the very important responsibility of the radiologically safety officer. The radiologically safety officer shall be responsible for advising the assisting the employer and license on safety aspects, aimed to ensuring that the provisions of these rules are complied with. The radiologically safety officer shall carry out routine measurement and analysis on radiation and radioactive levels in the controlled area, supervised area of the radiation installation and maintain records of results thereof. Investigation any situation that could lead to potential exposure. Advise the employer regarding the necessary steps aimed to ensuring that the regulatory constraints and the terms and conditions of the license and here to next one. Next continuation. The safe storage and movement of radioactive material with the radiation installation. In, Initiation of suitable remedial measures in respect to any situation that could lead to potential exposure and routine measurement and analysis on radiation and radioactivity levels in the site of environment, off-site environment of the radiation installation and maintenance of the result thereof. Ensure that the reports on all hazards situations along with the details of any immediate remedial actions taken are made available to the employer and license for reporting to the competent authority and a copy endorsed to the competent authority. Next continuation. These are the responsibility of the radiologically safety officer. This is the quality assurance tests of structures, systems, components, and sources as applicable are conducted and monitoring instruments are calibrated periodically. Assist the employer in instruction the workers on hazards of radiations, instruction the workers and hazards of radiation and suitable safety measures and work practices aimed to optimizing exposure to radiation sources. The safe disposal of radio activities, wastes, and developing suitable emergency responsible plans to deal with the actions and maintain emergency preparedness. These are the completed for the responsibility of the radiologically safety officer. These are the responsibility of the worker. These are the important responsibility of the worker. Employer completed and radiologically safety officer completed. They are responsibility of the worker and license complete. The responsibility of the worker. Every worker shall observe the safety requirements and follow safety procedure and instruction and shall retain from any willful act that could be determined to self co-workers the radiation installation and public. The worker shall provided to the employer information about his previous occupation, including radiation workers, if any. Make proper use of such productive equipment, radiation monitors, and personal monitoring devices as provided, and inform the license of the radiologically safety officer of any accident of potential hazardous situation that may come to the notice. A female worker. A female worker shall, on being where there is a she is a pregnant, notify the employer, license and radiologically safety officer in order he